Welcome everyone, my name is Michael. Today is day number 3 of the 5-day Flip Cup event here on Michael's Making Stuff. And I figured today, let's switch it up. Let's get away from the standard and traditional Flip Cup styles. And let's do a waterfall pouring style, but using flip cups. It's very fun, very easy. I will show you how to do it. We're putting the colors in the description. You know that by now. I want to get right into this. This has been fun so far. Of course, multiple days of flip cups is just what I live for, because you know from both channels that I do love flip cups. They're like my original love of fluid art. It's probably what drew me in the most. So let's do this here. And guys, you know what we're going to do here. We're going to layer these cups. We're going to layer 3. And then we're going to set this up. And you know what? We're going to go into this now. And I will see you on the other side. Let's go. All right, everyone, we are back in here. And again, we love these cups. They're so pretty. I wish I could lift them all up for you to show you close. Maybe I could zoom in. That'd be great. Of course, look, I'm starting to get a little dirty, and I didn't bring anything to clean up. So give me 1 second. I'm going to run really fast. On the other channel, you guys are probably used to this, but on this channel, not as much. Yeah, I'm going to run right now. Here we go. Woo. Okay, that was super fast. There we go. Whew. Sometimes I do that. I get so excited to jump into creating that I forget to actually set up some things. Like setting up a pillow base for this. I actually did not. I have a little bit here. I do want to put a little bit of water in there just to thin it out. It's pretty thick. So, see, there's little stuff that I get to do. You guys don't get to see this stuff. And just a little bit of water in here, just to thin it out, just enough, just so I have something to put on the bottom of that canvas, because I do want to put a slight layer, okay, on this, just to help these go down, because I have done one where it didn't want to flow as much, so I figured putting a little bit of pillow base down there should help. All right, let's get these off. All right, and then we're gonna get this canvas up. Oh, I love it. Oh boy, Here we go. This is so exciting. Oh, we're probably going to have to put this pillow base down first. All right, so yeah, let's get back into some music. Let's get this whole thing put together. Let's show you what to do here. And you know what, guys? I will see you on the other side. Let's go. All right, everyone, let's bring this little baby back down here. Oh, I love it. I'm starting to love this style now, guys. I think I'm getting used to it. I still have to work on this top section. I want to figure out the correct tilting pattern there, because I do notice I'm struggling a little more on this side where the cups originate from. So I have to figure out, maybe I would tilt back first and then let the long stretch. So I think we're going to change that tilting up. Oh, I did get this all over though because of having to stretch that out as much. I'm going to leave that little white corner almost as a reminder to myself to work on that section so we can get that perfect for you guys, because I do think this is great. Look at the designs we're getting here. Let's go into some torching here. Wow. Yes. All right, every time I do this, I like them more and more. So Still want to get some little bit more vibrant colors. All right, here we go. Let's get a little torch action going here. And we're gonna call it a night here. All right. Wow. Yeah, I can't wait to go in for a close-up. That corner is gonna bother me though, you realize that. But this piece is really nice. That titanium white really stretches in there, huh? All right. I think that's beautiful. Oh, wow. It just, oh, I can't wait to, and even to get some separate cup colors would be great. Oh, if I could make this almost like a landscape with a beach and some water and some sky. And oh, there's so many possibilities for this, guys. All right. I'm excited because, of course, it's flip cups and we're figuring something out and it's pretty awesome. All right. You know what? Thank you again for hanging out on day 3 of this event. Tomorrow is going to be very interesting because I'm going to give you something that I've never done before with flip cups. So stay tuned for that tomorrow, and I will see you guys later. Bye.